Hey, how's it going, everyone? How you guys doing tonight, today, wherever you're from in this beautiful world, man? Alright, so I got something today for you. Got this over at Bridge and Tunnel Brewing Bottle Shop, Bridge and Tunnel Bottle Shop, over in Astoria, Oregon. This is a collaboration beer. It's a sour. It's a smoothie style sour. From Three Sons Brewing Company in collaboration with Mortalis Brewing Company. These guys are out of Dania Beach, Florida. Okay. It's called the Hydra Beery Pie. It's a sour ale with natural flavors, smoothie style. And the ABV is 8% alcohol by volume. Three Sons Brewing, check it out. Pretty badass. I'm liking the kind of silver, not holographic, but just silver kind of look to it. Kind of looks slick. I like that a lot, man. Independent Brewers Association, man. Okay. Keep cold, drink yesterday, store at 38 degrees. It is just about that. I have actually twirled this up. Got my glass here. This was canned 3/31, so it's fairly fresh. Like, I'm talking like 2 weeks old, maybe. Oh, if you wait till you see this. I mean, you see it from, holy crap. Dude, this looks like sludge. There's like, oh my god. Just look at that for a moment. Oh, that's perfect. I like that. Look at that. Look, it's rising. They got a slow rising bubble going boo. Little bit of head on the top. I mean, it looks like boysenberries or raspberries. Looks like raspberry awesomeness. Let's go for the that smell. Look at that head though. Wow, it cascaded up and formed a nice, almost like index finger head. Oh man, cinnamon, vanilla, strawberry, raspberry. There's a slight like suntan lotion, but I also I get like that, I get like a slushy from 7-Eleven. Oh my god, this smells so good, y'all. This It smells so good. It looks good. I mean, look at strawberry, raspberry colored, cranberry colored beer. Can't see through it. It looks like it's a smoothie. I mean, it's straight up pureed, hardcore with vanilla. I mean, that vanilla bomb. The head is it looks like it's frozen, but it's actually just puffy and like kind of starting to go down. You can see it popping and going away. Very nice, just thick puree sitting there, just in layers. There's my heater coming on, sorry. Let's get into this. Cheers. Tart, sour, coconut. It's smooth. It's smooth, but it has a nice tart aftertaste, like finish. Has a nice like cinnamon and coconut with vanilla. Almost give it this feeling of suntan lotion, like a lotion, like you're eating lotion. It's weird. It's not a bad thing though. Don't let that fool you. the head is very, like, very weak. It breaks the moment you put your mouth on it. It tastes like a freshly blended smoothie in the blender. You get that like froth at the top, and then it breaks down, and all of a sudden you get to your smoothie or whatever you blended up or pureed. Hardcore vanilla, cinnamon, raspberry, strawberry, and then you get a little bit of that like oily finish of like lathering suntan lotion in the back of your, on the soft palate. Not too bad on the alcohol. It's a full feel, a full body. Mouthfeel is just smooth, rich, tart. Has a sweetness, kind of like a cranberry or something. Kind of like you're chewing on some dehydrated cranberries. They bring out the sweetness as they dry up and get soft and dry. You can chew on them like raisins, and then you get that sweet kind of tart feel out of them. Vanilla is very present. Alcohol is very hidden. Aftertaste is a beautiful freaking feel of love. Oh my God. I'm loving this so much. Out of 10 hops, I'm gonna give this 9.5 hops. This is beautiful beer. This is a beautiful beer. Definitely A range. Very excellent beer, in my opinion. Very excellent sour, whether it be a kettled sour, Berliner Weiss, or whatever other sours you want to make. I don't know exactly what kind of sour it is. It's a fruited sour, and it's got puree and vanilla. It's nice. What else was in this real quick? Natural flavors. It's really good. So 9.5 out of 100. 9.5 out of 10. Damn it. Ugh. Okay. You guys have a good night, day, wherever you're from in this beautiful world. And not after one more sip, of course, Beautiful, man. Ooh. Get a little chocolate in there and coffee. Well, that's weird. What is that all about? Anyway, all right. I'm going to look at this beautiful beer. Look at the pulp. Oh, okay, bye.